Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Section 1. Design and Build. Let's start with design. With its stylish design, the Razr 60 Ultra offers a captivating combination of futuristic elements and retro charm. Open it up, and you get a stunning 6.9-inch POLED display with almost no bezels and a 165 Hz refresh rate. Yes, 165 Hz on a foldable. That's smoother than most gaming phones. But wait, one of the biggest highlights is that giant external display. A 3.6-inch POLED cover screen, the largest on any flip phone right now. And it's not just for notifications. You can fully interact with apps like Google Maps, reply to messages, even scroll Instagram. Section 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Razr 60 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Not the latest, but still a flagship chip. Paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, performance is smooth across the board. Apps open quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and gaming is super responsive. Section 4. Cameras. You've got a dual camera setup on the back, a 12MP main shooter with OIS, and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. On the inside, there's a 32MP selfie cam tucked into the main display. Section 5. Battery life and charging. Battery life is always a major consideration with foldables. The Razr 60 Ultra packs a 3800 mAh battery, and while that sounds small by today's standards, Motorola's software optimization helps it last a full day for most users. It supports 30-watt wired charging and 5-watt wireless charging. Not the fastest, but you can top it up pretty quickly. Section 6. Software experience. This phone comes with Android 13 right out of the box, enhanced by Motorola's minimal interface. It's clean, fast, and full of smart features like Moto Actions. You know, the classic karate chop for flashlight or wrist twist for the camera. Section 7. Price and final thoughts. Well, the price. The Razr 60 Ultra is priced at approximately $999 USD. It's a premium device, no doubt. Thanks for watching.